Hello. So I have created one client and one server. So first of all, I would need to start the server. This will start the server. And now I would need to run the client. Now both my client and my server are running properly. This is my client window and this is my server. And this is the GUI for client. So suppose I send a message hi. After encoding, a server replies hi, and server has received one input hi. This is the encoded out. Now suppose I say this is an encoded communication, cryptographed communication going on between server and client over a VPN that we have created using cryptography. My server is running at uh, this port at this IP. So currently it is completely working in my local system. This VPN is completely working in my local system using my IP. So this is how it is working right now.
If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon, and you can visit our website. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.